follow-upin.
How do you feel about speaking today?
Medyo nakakabahan. Kailangan ko po ng power.
From Mamay.
My friend.
That's so good.
My love. My savior.
Yeah.
So be excited. The best is always yet to come.
Given to
Ano maganda dyan?
500.
Welcome to the Church of Joy! This is the Church of Joy! Ready to be team Church of Joy! Oil and light. One cup water. Okay, cup of water.
Cup of water.
Welcome to the vlog.
Hey, Church, sukin niyo na. Ay,
oatmeal cookies.
to the vlog. Church of Joy. Bakit po nag-activity ang mga YSAs?
Churros pa next nyo?
Hi guys!
Second output.
Nakatulong.
We are making what? Ganache. Tapos si Ine lang kakuha.
Lamig good. Champurado.
Sunday, look at the next day. Magkaya to pa. Tsaka hindi niya yung diwa.
Oh, yung biko. Ayaw nila ng biko.
Available na slot.
Wisdom. And boy. Yan.
And welcome to the Church of Joy.
Tingnan niyo naman. Super sweater yan.
Ex mo?
So, unsay mo tang...